my name is Lucia. If this is your first time on our channel, you are welcome. Our video will provide you with the necessary information to help you make money online, grow your business, and create wealth. Now let's talk about how to make money in the metaverse in 2022 and beyond. This video is about 6 ways to make money in the metaverse in 2022 and beyond. Right now, something greater than social media is currently happening. New technologies are exploding out of control, and vast sums of money are being exchanged. Artists and small businesses are being recognized as early pioneers of a new age. You'd be excused if you didn't know everything. The phenomena I'm describing takes place in the virtual world. The metaverse is a merging of our physical and digital lives brought on by advances in internet connectivity, augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain technology. It's the conclusion of all of our science fiction fantasies, what Tron and Ready Player One envisioned, but which is now happening. A lot of people think the metaverse is all about buying cryptocurrency. Buying crypto is a slice of the metaverse. Now, let us focus on why we are here and why we think the metaverse is exploding and it's no longer a niche market. The metaverse is not a new concept. In 2003, the virtual world Second Life encouraged millions of people to create their own fantasy worlds. The notion was quiet after that until the pandemic triggered the fast creation of virtual worlds. Due to the pandemic, millions of individuals were forced to postpone their social lives and move them online. The generations that grew up with video games made up a significant component of this group. They entered the virtual world searching for fresh experiences and opportunities, and giant corporations followed their customers. The metaverses exploded at this point. With that being said, here are 6 ways to make money in the metaverse. Number 6. Renting out virtual property. Metaverse developers typically sell virtual land parcels as a blank canvas. That is, owners have complete freedom to develop anything they choose, whether it is a hotel, an art gallery, a casino, a theater, or a sports stadium. It is up to them to decide what to construct and how to charge people. Renting a facility, charging entry fees, or selling advertising space are all ways to earn cash. Not to mention that the virtual property itself might be an investment whose value may increase with time. This could be the future of real estate business. Number 5. Advertising. Virtual worlds can simulate any real-world activity, and the opportunities for users to engage with one another are limitless. Interactions with corporations, brands, and goods are also examples of advertising in the metaverse. In-game advertising has already become a multi-billion-dollar business. Furthermore, for younger Gen Zers, online gaming settings and even virtual retail malls are the main social venues. This is where they socialize, cooperate, and spend their time. They no longer spend time on social media. Developers go to great lengths to build the most unique, entertaining, and rewarding environments possible. The number of people who utilize the metaverse is steadily increasing. It stands to reason that virtual worlds and their new social areas will eventually become a big marketing avenue. Number 4. Putting money into the metaverse business. The metaverse is a new online realm. It may be implemented into every one of our lives at some time. Logically, this is a massive opportunity for businesses. That is why forward-thinking firms are jumping on board. The potential for virtual environments with millions of people to flourish is enormous. The value of several metaverses' native digital currencies, such as Decentraland's Mana or the Sandbox's Sand, has risen several times in recent months. Stocks of metaverse-focused enterprises are also an alternative for people who prefer a more traditional investing method. Roblox, Unity Software, Microsoft Corp., Amazon, Nvidia, Walt Disney, and Facebook, among other tech, gaming, e-commerce, and social media giant, have expressed interest in creating their own metaverses. They're all publicly traded on stock markets. Number 3. Investing in non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are collectibles and speculative investments in and of themselves. Because of their technical characteristics, NFT are one-of-a-kind pieces of digital data, making them uncommon and valuable at some times. Investors anticipate that their value will grow over time. Number 2. Gaming Play-to-Earn. A new innovative play-to-earn gaming concept has been made possible by blockchain-based games and NFT. The idea is simple. Players own and manage their in-game assets and have complete control over their capacity to trade or swap them for real-world money. Axie Infinity's gaming economy is an excellent illustration of how metaverses may influence real-world economies. Thousands of Filipinos rushed into the game during the epidemic, growing artificial pets called axes and trading them online, earning more money than they could in their real-life occupations. Within 2 months, the Axie Infinity axe price had risen by more than 2,140%. Number 1. Investing in underlying metaverse technology protocols. The majority of metaverses currently uses the Ethereum network. The significant price spike of Ether, ETH, the native token of the underlying Ethereum blockchain, reflects the buzz around them. However, as rival blockchains enable their own smart contracts with NFT functionality, the environment is shifting. Because of the NFT trend and institutional investors' interest, Solana, SOL, has seen a virtually vertical rise in recent months. In terms of NFT-driven demand, blockchain protocols that attempt to overcome scalability difficulties and offer cheaper network costs than Ethereum have strong fundamentals to expand. Final thoughts. Metaverses are the next big thing, with a market value of $800 billion predicted by 2024. The speed with which they are expanding proves that they are the future and that most of us will be connected with them sooner or later. Virtual reality and fiction aren't the only aspects of the metaverse. If users visit the room at the right moment, it can become a revenue-generating alternative. NFT have been incorporated into the metaverses of platforms like Polka City and Axie Infinity, and users are reportedly earning money by exchanging them. Within the metaverse, NFTs such as animals and petrol stations and motels have their own usefulness. Finally, Ethereum's blockchain provides the foundation for NFT and ERC-20 tokens, making Ether crypto fascinating in 2022. We hope you have learned something new today from this video. Please feel free to like our video, as it helps YouTube show it to other people who might be interested in this topic. You can also share and leave a comment. Until next time, I am Lucia. Cheers and enjoy the metaverse.
It's about